CRM success starts with understanding your firm's unique needs. Whenever we work on a project, the first thing we do is called a CRM success assessment. And we sit down with stakeholders throughout the firm and talk through, what are the challenges now? What is what I call CRM nirvana look like in a perfect world? What would it look like? And what are the problems? What are the issues? How does the firm define value? Because the only way you're going to get anybody to use the system is if it provides value to them. During this process, you also want to set goals that are measurable and achievable and agreed upon by key stakeholders. And so the whole process is you just go after one goal at a time. And we talk about these things as a project or an initiative, but they're really not. CRM is not a discrete project, and that's where a lot of folks fall down, is thinking of it as a project that is done, and then we've got something else to do. We've got a website redesign, we've got a proposal generation system to implement, whatever it might be. But it's really important to define the goals, achieve the goals, get success, communicate the success, and that will help set realistic expectations so that, if your expectations are right, CRM is not going to fail to meet them. Also, you can see a lot of this is as much the humans as it is the technology. So you have to focus on communicating effectively throughout the process, training, and not just initial training, but ongoing training. You've got laterals coming in and people, coming and going, and different times of year, you have different things going on where you might need to do some additional training, and you just have to plan for that. And of course, integrations can be important to automate as much as possible and minimize the effort of the attorneys, the assistants, and the rest of the staff. And of course, data quality, I can tell you as an attorney, if the data is bad, the system is bad, and I'm just not going to use it. And then also putting together the right team and dedicating the right resources in terms of not just the money you're going to spend on the system, but also, the time and the human resources involved.